So spring is here in the Phoenix metro area, and I'm seeing the market start to pick up everywhere. Sellers are getting ready to list, buyers are coming out of the woodwork, and I'm getting a whole lot of people asking me the same question. What upgrades are actually worth doing before you sell your home? So in this video, I'm going to give you a straight answer. But before we start pulling permits and scheduling those contractors, here's what you need to hear. The right upgrades can absolutely help you sell faster and put more money in your pocket. But the wrong ones, they can eat up your net profit and actually turn buyers away before they even step inside. Hey there, I'm Bret Johnson, associate broker with Realty Network Group at Real, and I specialize in making real estate really easy. So I've been doing this for over 20 years, and I've seen both sides of this play out. Sellers are maximizing their proceeds by making the right upgrades, while others, they're making super expensive mistakes. So here's how you tell the difference. First, let's start with what not to do. This one might surprise some of you. Going all in on a high-end kitchen remodel or some fancy landscaping, in reality, the numbers don't back these up. According to the latest cost versus value report, a major upscale kitchen remodel returns just 36 cents on every dollar you put into it. That's less than 40 cents back on every dollar spent. And here's the one that costs sellers the most, leaving a project half finished. Buyers in the Valley want homes that feel clean, complete, and move-in ready. That missing cabinet door or that unfinished grout, that doesn't just look bad, it makes buyers wonder what else didn't get finished. So if you start something, you need to see it through. An incomplete project can hurt you more than doing nothing at all. All right, the next one is where the data gets really interesting. Curb appeal is king right now, and the numbers prove this. A garage door replacement is returning up to 268% ROI, making it the highest return project in the entire country. And guess what? That's for a second year running. A new steel front door, that comes in around 216%, and a manufactured stone veneer, that averages around 208%. Those are real numbers. Inside the home, a minor kitchen update, think, new countertops, fixtures, maybe a bathroom refresh, that's up 113%. Compare that to just 36% on a major remodel, and the choices become clear. Small targeted upgrades are better than major renovations. So here in the Phoenix metro area, buyers are making up their minds before they even walk through the front door. Give them a reason to fall in love before they get out of the car. All right, let's pivot slightly and let's talk about how the right contractor can make or break your project. And I mean that literally. Start by asking people you trust. Friends, neighbors, local Facebook groups, your real estate agent. Then check the Better Business Bureau's directory to verify credentials and see if there are any complaints. Once you have a few names, get a list of 3 written quotes. Confirm that they're licensed and insured, and ask to see photos of any recent work. A solid contractor will help you stay on budget. They'll be honest with you about something that doesn't maybe make sense, and they'll get the job done right the first time. That last part matters a lot because fixing a contractor's mistakes is expensive and it's really stressful. And before anyone swings a hammer, get everything in writing. Scope, timeline, costs, payment schedule, all of it. Clear contract protects you and them. That's how you can help avoid some of the misunderstandings that turn a simple project into a true nightmare. So if you're thinking about selling this spring and you want to just focus on the upgrades that actually move the needle, maybe not the ones that look impressive on paper, reach out to me. Every market is different. What works in Scottsdale may not work right in Gilbert or Mesa. So I can help you figure out exactly what makes sense for your home, your timeline, and what buyers are looking for right now in your specific neighborhood. Give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email. We'll set up a free, no pressure strategy session, and let's put together a plan that gets you the best return on your home sale this spring.